Urban Hawk and bitches, we're here. With the latest in fashion, we've got the yellow Crocs, Singapore street food. Oh yeah. Different stuff here. It's like hard to choose and also make a video at the same time. Let's take a look, see what they got. I don't want fried rice. Pad Thai maybe. The Filipino food look good. Maybe that or the Hainan Jones place. We have a nice bar here. Happy hour, huh? $5. I like how there's no prices. Oh look, they got like the Japanese pork katsu. Pork katsu. Take a look around. Walking staple. Oh, look, they got like General Tso's chicken right there, sesame chicken, and they got a Malay cuisine. Long tong, mi soto, lamb satay, chicken satay. That's good. Navy booze, beef and dang shot, chicken gulai set, that was good too. This is Smoking Joe. We got fried chicken and katsu, chicken cutlet. Oh, Hainanese fish and chips. Well, that's interesting, Hainanese fish and chips. Francis, put up the side. Tradition, Filipino food. This does not look like anything I've seen in Philippines. Looks Chow Fan Siang San. It's the fried rice. Some Japanese dishes. Some fried rice with a bunch of other stuff. Panahawak. Prawn, pork belly, wok fried, prawn noodle. Hainan Jones. Another chicken rice set. Hainan Jong. So we got chicken rice set.
So I couldn't find the video of the dish that I ordered, but it was delicious and the portions were on par with the price. And to sum up this place, it's definitely got a lot of South Asian food dishes all under one roof that would normally be a bit harder to find in New York City. They also have fusion dishes, which I don't really care for. The only issue is the price is a lot higher than it is at the hawker stalls in Singapore. This has tried to get their prices down in order to make it more accessible for the general population. So, what do you think? Have you ever tried Malaysian or Singaporean food? And or would you try it? Let me know in the comments. And until next time, peace.